In the vast digital expanse of the blockchain, a new hero emerged. His name was BitcoinWeb3. He was no ordinary cryptocurrency. He was a meme coin, born from the whimsical creativity of the internet. Yet, he possessed a noble purpose, bestowed upon him by his enigmatic creator, Satoshi. BitcoinWeb3's mission was clear. Gather liquidity pools, those digital wells of value, and use them to support Bitcoin in its quest to revolutionize finance. BitcoinWeb3's journey began on the Polygon network, a vibrant ecosystem known for its speed and scalability. He was just a fledgling coin, full of enthusiasm but lacking experience. He needed to learn the ways of the blockchain world, to understand the intricacies of decentralized finance. His journey would take him to different realms, each with its unique challenges and rewards. His first destination was DeFi Kingdoms, a land where magic and finance intertwined. Next, he would venture into NFT Narnia, a realm where art and technology collided. Finally, he would seek the wisdom of the DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations that embodied the spirit of community governance. Along the way, BitcoinWeb3 would encounter allies and adversaries, learn valuable lessons, and discover the true meaning of community. DeFi Kingdoms was a bustling hub of activity. Farmers tended to their yield-bearing crops, while traders haggled over the price of digital assets. BitcoinWeb3, still new to this world, observed the intricate dance of liquidity. He saw how liquidity pools, those pools of paired tokens, provided the lifeblood for decentralized exchanges and lending protocols. He approached a wise old DeFi wizard, his beard flowing with lines of code. "How can I gather liquidity pools?" he asked. The wizard smiled. "Liquidity," he explained, "is like water. It flows to where it's needed most, attracted by the promise of rewards." He taught BitcoinWeb3 about staking, the art of locking up tokens to earn a passive income. He also explained the concept of liquidity provision, where users contribute to liquidity pools in exchange for trading fees. BitcoinWeb3 eagerly followed the wizard's guidance. He staked his own tokens in various protocols, earning a steady stream of rewards. He then ventured into liquidity provision, carefully selecting pools with high liquidity and attractive fees. As his understanding grew, so did his liquidity pool collection. He was starting to make a name for himself in DeFi Kingdoms. From DeFi Kingdoms, BitcoinWeb3 journeyed to NFT Narnia, a realm teeming with creativity. Here, artists, musicians, and creators of all kinds transformed their digital dreams into unique blockchain-based assets known as NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. BitcoinWeb3, with his growing liquidity pool collection, saw an opportunity to support these artists and further his mission. He realized that liquidity pools could be used to provide liquidity for NFT marketplaces. This would make it easier for artists to sell their work and for collectors to discover new treasures. BitcoinWeb3 approached a renowned NFT artist, her canvases filled with vibrant colors and abstract shapes. He proposed a collaboration. He would provide the liquidity for her upcoming NFT collection, and in return, she would create a special edition BitcoinWeb3 NFT. The artist, impressed by BitcoinWeb3's vision, agreed. Together, they launched the collection, and it was a resounding success. The liquidity provided by BitcoinWeb3's liquidity pools attracted a flood of collectors, eager to own a piece of NFT Narnia's magic. BitcoinWeb3, true to his word, used a portion of the proceeds to support emerging artists in the community. He was learning that collaboration, not competition, was the key to success in the blockchain world. His journey continued to the realm of DAOs, where decentralized governance reigned supreme. Here, communities came together to make collective decisions, using blockchain technology to ensure transparency and fairness. BitcoinWeb3, with his growing reputation and liquidity pool collection, was eager to learn from these pioneers of decentralization. He approached a DAO focused on funding open-source blockchain projects. He proposed contributing a significant portion of his liquidity pools to their treasury, but only if they agreed to use the funds to support projects aligned with Bitcoin's principles of decentralization and financial sovereignty. The DAO members, impressed by BitcoinWeb3's commitment to these values, put his proposal to a vote. The vote was unanimous in favor of BitcoinWeb3's proposal. He had earned the trust of the DAO by demonstrating his alignment with their core values. He realized that trust, built on transparency and a shared vision was essential for the success of any decentralized endeavor. With the support of the DAO, BitcoinWeb3's liquidity pool collection grew even larger, bringing him closer to his ultimate goal.